G'day everyone, Trains on Toast here, and I'm at Giffard Street in Williamstown because it has Barker Technics bells. Isn't that nice? One of the lights on the bracket isn't working. For a tour now, this crossing has, I don't know if it's coming through the camera, but Westinghouse lights and a Mackenzie and Holland bracket for those lights, and then a Mackenzie and Holland bracket on here, then another set of Westinghouse lights, and then the star of the show, two Barker Technics e-bells on the mast, and then a base. That is, I'm not sure what that base is. But there's the keep tracks clear sign, pretty rusty, black with white writing, stop and red signal sign, and a crossing fault sign. Just next to the crossing, railway crossing supply meter, which is interesting. It's got 240 volts, so this is interesting. A padlock and some vents. The base. Oh yeah, and then over here there is the safe trans system called gate mechanisms and flat. So these flat gates were installed. So basically there's a story. Every crossing in Melbourne was given a wishbone gate because they're wooden, and it was thought that metal gates would have the problem of electricity from the power lines for the trains interrupting the gates. So they've actually trialled the flat gates here, and they seem to be working fine. They've got them on the other side too, the Siemens gates. There's little caps on the top as well, because they probably kept the original mast of the wishbone gates and then put the Siemens gates on top. Alright guys. I'm not sure if this is why the train went so slow through the crossing, but this pedestrian crossing doesn't actually have any gates. It says 2 tracks, do not cross while lights are flashing or alarms are sounding. Lights. I'm assuming it means those lights, or the bell sound. But it's still interesting that they have this. Still a cyclist dismount sign. Looks like they've been worked to improve this, but they just didn't add any pedestrian booms. Then there are some Safe Trans System Corp gate mechanism flat gates, and then 2 more Barker Technics e-bells and some Westinghouse lights on a Mackenzie and Holland bracket, and some more Westinghouse lights on a Mackenzie and Holland bracket. And then this has that same base that I didn't identify on this side, but you can't really, looks like it has some text on there, but it's super hard to read. Then there's the, am I gonna get copyrighted because of that? Anyway, there's some stop on red signal, black with white writing sign, and a crossings fault sign. And then the white crossbar with 2 slats of metal and the 2-track sign. Very nice little corridor here. Barker Technics sound a little bit sick. I don't know if it comes through in the video, but the Barker Technics bells on this side at least sound a little bit sick. Anyways, thanks for watching the video. Bye.